Hi everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick update, talk about the papaya plant project, if you may. So last year I grew quite a lot of papayas, and well, this is the only one that's left over here, which isn't, I mean, I suppose it's barely alive, but it's not really doing so well. Now, if I use this as an example, this one's quite stiff still, but the other ones, the roots were all like rotted and just like mushy. The other papayas that I had, I mean, if I pull it out, it's okay, still a bit, stiff and stuck to the roots are still firm, whereas the other ones just pulled straight out. They had kind of rotted basically. This one is, I'm leaving it out to see what happens, but I found that it was very difficult growing these indoors. Even, try them in different locations, some in, partial sunlight, some in, a lot of light, and I guess maybe where we had a lot of less light in the winter, these plants need a lot of sun, and basically they kept growing during the winter, but they just kept growing these like small leaves as opposed to the full size leaves. And then when I brought them out, they just, I don't know if I brought them out too early or what, but didn't really do much. So anyways, this year I'm going to try again. I learned a lot in the first year, so this year here are the papaya plants for this year. Got quite a lot in case some of these don't, a lot of room for error, let's just say. I've noticed another weird thing, that if you look closely, they start producing little small baby plants, even though there was only one seed in this pot. So I'm not sure if you want to call that a sucker or like similar to a banana tree. But yeah, it's quite weird how you've got sort of happening over here. It's happening a lot. You see that? There's like 4 plants coming out. I'm not sure if it's because they're stressed or something. I'm not too sure. I don't think I'll. Even over here we have some more. I don't think I'm gonna be growing them. I might just leave them in the pot and just take them out if they start growing well. Now, so the plan for this year is with these papaya plants, keeping them in this greenhouse over here. It's gonna allow them to grow sort of quite fast without wind and other things affecting them, up to about this height. So once they reach that height, I'm going to take them out and give them a full sun, and hopefully they grow quite a lot during so I'm going to just put these let them grow naturally in the summertime as much as they can in the next 3 months. Then I'm going to keep them in these LED grow lights for the whole winter, so they keep on growing, and then hopefully, but this time next year, they should be in a position to be able to fruit, hopefully. So I'm going to keep on trying this process, every year until I eventually can grow the papayas here in the UK. Now, it's going to be a lot of trial and error, and you can learn with me, and you can try it yourself as well. The only thing to note is that these papayas, these are all seeds from store-bought papaya. Now, the only thing is they take a long time to actually come out, at least 6 weeks, so you need to be patient. I'd recommend, to start with throwing 4 or 5 seeds in a pot, and then as they come out, just pull them out and carefully transplant them into bigger pots, as I've done over here. Now, I've been very unsuccessful with moringa this year. We've got 2 plants. I had to keep on cutting the leaves back because there's some sort of disease or some sort of bug that was eating them. So yeah, I'm left with 2 plants this year. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out. Once again, I'm going to keep on trying to get these into a stage where they form a trunk and grow a lot larger. And lastly, we've got some over here, some date plants, medjool dates that are planted. Let's see how they turn out as well. I'm going to also keep these under the lights in the winter time. So yeah, that's the plan for this year and the next year, and I'll keep you updated on the growth of these papayas. Please subscribe if you're not. Thanks for watching.